Wind was west, at 34 miles an hour. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a snow squall warning for southwestern New London County, Fairfield County, southern Middlesex County, New Haven County, Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, southeastern Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, Union County in northeastern New Jersey, Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Queens County in southeastern New York, southeastern Putnam County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Richmond County in southeastern New York, Manhattan in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, southeastern Rockland County in southeastern New York, Westchester County in southeastern New York, Suffolk County in southeastern New York, Nassau County in southeastern New York, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Trumbull to Somerset, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: whiteout conditions. Zero visibility in snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. Locations impacted include New York, Islip, Oyster Bay, Newark, Jersey City, Huntington, Yonkers, Paterson, Bridgeport, New Haven, Elizabeth, Stamford, Waterbury, Norwalk, Danbury, New Rochelle, Passaic, Bayonne, Meriden and White Plains. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. There is no safe place on a highway when a snow squall hits. Visibility and traction are immediately lost in whiteout conditions, making it difficult or impossible to slow down and avoid stopped vehicles. Delay travel or safely exit the highway before the snow squall arrives. Wet roadways will quickly freeze after passage of the snow squall. Black ice will cause untreated roads, bridges and overpasses to become slick and dangerous. Slow down and be prepared for sudden loss of traction.
The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a blizzard warning for portions of deep South Texas until further notice. Blizzard conditions are occurring and are expected to last for hours, days, or even longer. Travel will be very dangerous to impossible. Total snow accumulations up to 15 inches are expected within the next hour. A dangerous individual is associated with this blizzard. Sustained winds up to 60 miles per hour with gusts up to 70 miles per hour are occurring. Significant drifting of the snow is likely. A blizzard warning means that severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, which will make travel extremely dangerous. Once again, the National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a blizzard warning for all of deep South Texas until further notice.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 515, effective until 1 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union and Warren, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Kings, Nassau, Manhattan, Queens, Richmond, Rockland, Suffolk and Westchester. Remember, a tornado watch means that the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, and internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Ventura County in southwestern California, central Los Angeles County in southwestern California, until 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 5:23 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, an area of rotation detected within a blizzard was located over Los Angeles and is nearly stationary. This area of rotation is likely to develop into a tornado. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Long Beach, Eastern Malibu, Encino, Inglewood, Venice, Hollywood, Van Nuys, Alhambra, West Covina, Mount Wilson, Culver City, Torrance, Universal City, Whittier, Burbank, Beverly Hills, Northridge, Griffith Park, North Hollywood, and Woodland Hills. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado emergency for the city of Los Angeles, including the greater Los Angeles area. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a tornado warning for East Central Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 5:24 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Los Angeles, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the city of Los Angeles, including the greater Los Angeles area. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Redwood, Inglewood, Venice, Hollywood, downtown Los Angeles, Hermosa Beach, Glendora, Alhambra, Pasadena, Mount Wilson, Culver City, Beverly Hills, Santa Monica, Griffith Park, University.